Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Git hooks with Husky for pre-commit checks step by step clearly. Open your terminal. Navigate to your project directory. Ensure that your project is using Git. Initialize a new Git repository if it's not already. Install Husky as a development dependency. Run the command npm install husky savedev. Once installation is complete, enable Git hooks. Execute the command npx husky install. To verify installation, check for the .husky directory in your project. Create a new hook for pre-commit. Run the command npx husky add.husky/precommit. Open the .husky/precommit file in your code editor. Add your desired command for pre-commit checks. For example, you might want to run tests or lint your code. Save the changes to the file. Make sure your script has execution permissions. You can check this with the command chmod +x.husky/precommit. Now, test your configuration by making a change in your project. Stage your changes with git add. Attempt to commit the changes with git commit m test commit. If your pre-commit checks fail, the commit will be aborted. Fix the issues shown in the pre-commit checks. Once resolved, try committing again. If everything is proper, your changes will be committed successfully. Congratulations, you've successfully configured Git hooks with Husky for pre-commit checks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.